Hallo, is mis Ian Macavaister, agus am I dal chicas oren feest, and garab chriach yn gwyf. Sio oren chai skrivach le Ellen Macafersonach maran. Pieper skriver ter kiel is teacher, wunjucht en skides er een tuav is oper son feest en garab chriachen. Ansen oren ikke, hai giesugrin megin shechen ikke nish. Hello, my name's Ian McMaster and I'm going to teach you the Féisceann Garbh Chríochainn song. The song was composed by the late Alan Macpherson from Shielfoot, who was a piper and taught at the Féisceann, was very much involved with it. And in his song he tells us about a typical week at the Féis, and also his hope that if we keep on using the music and the Gaelic language, that we won't lose it. Ha Féisceann Garbh Chríochainn ríist yn blian awn. Ha Féisceann Garbh Chríochainn le canan is ceol. Bí cashmach is rielen boxichens fietjaken. Piepen is fielen, skach ní bunchik ceol. Ha tjuchter en soriche is djúrach gudóial. Trogaunse is oren, le counterach spurst viol. Chofat se vis ietsen, chilach gach bliane, cha chail sin gushieri, ar canan sarkiol. Ha Féisceann Garbh Chríochainn ríist yn blian, and ha Féisceann Garbh Chríochainn le canan is ceol. Bí cashmach is rielen boxichens fietjaken, piepen is fielen skach ní bunchik ceol. Ha tjuchter en sodisje stjúrach gudóial trogaunse his oren le counters purs fiol. Chofat se vies ietsen chilach gach bliana cha chail sin gushieri ar canan sarkiol.